Dear students, how are you? I am fine by the grace of Almighty. You know that before 1 month or 2 months ago, a online class going on to you. So, I congratulate to you on behalf of the online class of Abdul Aziz online classroom. Dear learners, I am going to tell you today, I am going to tell you a passage narration. Dear students, a passage narration is very important for class 8 because whenever you cross you are promoted to class 9, you found passage narration. Whenever you solve the passage narration before knowing the tense, so you must know the rules of tenses. So I shall tell you and I shall write some tenses rule before going to passage narration. Look at the whiteboard, dear students. First of all, tense. Actually, tense is the key to grammar. Other tense, you cannot tell any voice, narration, and no any function to the solve the narration. So, I shall write you some rules of tenses and structure. Such like a present indefinite. Present indefinite. You have to just for the structure. Subject plus present form plus object. You have to recite it. Present continuous. Subject plus am, is, are plus adding ing. Present perfect. Subject plus have oblique has plus V3 plus object. Present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus have been or has been plus ing. That is structure of first present indefinite. And then first indefinite structure. Follow me, dear students. First indefinite. Look at the blackboard. Subject plus V2 plus object. First continuous. Subject plus was, were plus ing. Then first perfect. Had plus V3 plus object. You must be recite it. First perfect continuous. Subject plus had been plus ing. That is the form of first indefinite. And then I am going to last structure of future indefinite. Dear students, you have to recite the structure. Then you go to the another narration, voice, and another paragraph writing to use the tenses. Future indefinite. Shall, will plus V1 plus object. Future continuous. Shall be or will be plus ing plus object. Future perfect. Future perfect. Future perfect subject plus shall have. Oblique will have plus V3. Future perfect continuous. Subject plus shall have been. Will have been plus ing. My dear students, this structure you must be recited, otherwise you cannot solve the narration. So come to the point, I am going to solve the narration. Narration has also some roles. Now I am describing about some rules of passage narration. Passage narration, look at me. Rules of passage narration. Number 1, if a person speak in a assertive sentence again and again, you have to add it, again said, further added, etc. If a person again and again speak, if a person again and again speak in assertive sentence, assertive sentence is to be added further added again told, etc. Then number 2, dear students, if a person again and again asks, if a person again and Ask. Ask question. Ask question in interrogative. Interrogative sentence. You have to add asked. Again asked. Further asked. Already I have 2 rules have completed. Then number 3. Dear students, if you found yes in the passive narration, yes, if you found yes, then equal to replied in the affirmative. And said that. After all, if you found no in the passage narration, you will be changed no. You have to write replied in the negative and said that. Dear learners, I have written 4 rules. Then if you found a passage narration, sir. If you found a sir, whenever found a sir, and then you have to write the sir equal to respect or with respect. With respect. And then time, whenever you will be found the thank you. Many sentences, thank you. Whenever thank you. Thank you. So, if you found the thank you, you will be write the change thank equal to thank you subject. You must be recited, otherwise you cannot solve it. Dear student, subject plus thanked plus object. It is very easy. And last of all the rules, if you found from the starting the sentence or from the beginning the sentence, good morning, good evening, good night. Good morning, good evening and good night. Dear students, whenever you found the good morning, good evening or good night, what can you do? Dear students, it is very easy rules, because good morning, good evening, good night, the starting the sentences in passage narration. So, and then time you have to write, or you will be write the subject plus wished plus good morning. Good morning, good evening, or good night. Just now I have completed some rules of passive narration. Now I want to a passive narration. I will be solve it, and you have to follow the solving the narration in the whiteboard. Dear students, we also give you a model this book, so you have to open the book. Dear students, a narration, page at 42, model number 9. Firstly, I have to write the passive narration, then I will be solve the narration. Look at me. The teacher said to the student, have you prepared your lesson today? Have you prepared your lesson? No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Reflect the student. Reflect the student. The teacher said, the teacher said, why have you not prepared? Why have you not prepared? I was suffering from headaches yesterday. I was suffering from headaches. Yesterday. The student replied. The student replied. Dear students, now I am going to solve the narration, passage narration. Look at the whiteboard attentively. The teacher said the student, have you prepared your lesson? That is interrogative sentence. Whenever you found the interrogative sentence, said equal to asked. The teacher asked the student, and omit the comma and inverted comma. You have to use the if. Dear students, reported speech second person according to the change object. The student third person, so I have to use the he. And before that, knowing some rules of tenses, you have found present perfect have. So you have to just change past perfect. Had, prepared, his lesson. If you found the today, change equal to that day. After that, the teacher said to the student, have you prepared your lesson today? No, sir. You found? No, sir. Reply the student. Very easy. Because the student refrained the negative and said that with respect. You have the just now the role. The student refrained the negative. The student replied in the negative and said that with respect. After that, the teacher said, why have you not prepared? That's the question. So, asked, the teacher asked, interrogative sentence, asked. And if you found the why, so you cannot use the if. Why? The starting answer, why? W is question, you must be set up, why? And then second person, he had not prepared. Then, okay, dear students, I was suffering, this student replied that, I was suffering from headaches yesterday. This student replied. A very simple sentence, because easy catch it. And the student replied. The student replied that it is assertive sentence. Replied that he, and you found the was where. First continuous, then the change the first perfect continuous, had been suffering from headaches. Yesterday, the previous day. That is answer. The passage narration. Dear learners, now I have at the end of the class, and you must be the rules of passage narration, and you must be recite the tense of grammar. After that, so I shall give you the homework. You have to recite the rules of passage narration. rules of passage narration. Thank you very much for attending my classes, my dear students. Many thanks for you. More thanks